Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to tell you about some advanced tips to keep your file shares secure from unauthorized users when you're using Cumulo Cluster for the file share. So here are two things that you will learn. One is you have your SMB share, but you want to hide it from your unauthorized users. So not only unauthorized users should not be able to access it, they should also not be able to know about these shares. The second one is you may want to keep your share access restricted to certain client IP range. So I'll tell you how to do that, and also make sure that IP ranges that try to access this Cumulo cluster, they don't even know about those shares, even if they're using the user credential which have permission on those shares. But if they're accessing from some IP range which is not allowed, they should not be able to see it. So let's see how to do it. Here is a Cumulo cluster where we have created two kind of demo shares. One is customer one and customer two. Pretend that these are two shares catering to different customers using your Cumulo cluster. Um, for the first share, here are the permissions that you have given. For this cluster, I have already joined this cluster to an Active Directory using this feature. I'm not going to tell about details of how to do it, but there are good articles available in Cumulo knowledge base. So let's say you have connected this Cumulo to Active Directory and you chose one user from Active Directory SUD domain, Spider-Man user, and you gave access on this share. You could have very well used Active Directory group, but just to make it more obvious, I'm using the user, but there's no reason why you could not have used local users or groups or Active Directory groups. Now let's go back to the shares and go to the second share. You will see that there's another user from the same Active Directory, Iron Man, who has access on this share. So two users, just to keep things simple, Spider-Man and Iron Man. Iron Man has access on customer 2 and Spider-Man has access on customer 1 share. So it's a very simple setup. Now let's see when we try to list the shares on the IP address of this cluster, what do we get? So let's try to using this utility SMB util, let's try to view all the shares that are available on this IP address of the cluster, and let's pretend to be Spider-Man and see what do we get. So as you can see, Spider-Man user can see both customer 1 and customer 2 shares, although he doesn't have access on customer 2's share. Doesn't mean that this Spider-Man user can actually access the content of customer 2, but still this user can see that there's a share that exists with this name. Uh, which if you want to be extra secure, you may not in some cases want these users to know that there is a share of this name. Now let's also pretend to be another user, Iron Man, and you will see that this user also can see both the shares. So in extra secure scenario, that may not be the desired behavior. So let's see how to stop that. So here I am on Cumulo cluster. I have SSH'd into this box, and I'm going to use our command line QQ interface. So those who have been using Cumulo, you might be already familiar with our QQ command line interface. If you're not, there are good knowledge base articles on that. Um, so for this QQ command, I'm going to use this SMB modify setting and use this parameter called hide shares from unauthorized users, so that it's very obvious as it states those users who are not authorized, hide the share from them. And right now this value is false, which I'm to make it true, so that means hide it. There's another parameter which I'm going to talk about when I cover the second part, so let's ignore it for now and do this setting. It's as simple as that. As you can see now, hide share from unauthorized user setting is set to true. Let's go back and do the same testing from my Mac to see what shares do I see when I try to log in as Iron Man. And as you can see, this time for Iron Man, only customer 2 is listed, customer 1 is not listed because this user doesn't have access on that share. Uh, Similarly, let's try to list this as Spider-Man. And as you will see, Spider-Man user can only see the share that this user has access to. So that kind of makes it extra secure. But now let's move the security one more notch up and also restrict it to certain IP ranges. So there's a command for IP range. For that, we should know what is the share ID that we want to restrict it to. So I listed using the QQ command, I listed the shares that exist on this Cumulo cluster. So ID2 has customer 1, ID4 has customer 2. Now there's another QQ command which is QQ mod share, modify share, where you can give the ID of the share and then you specify what kind of control you want to give to what IP range. So in this case, I'm saying for ID2, which is customer 1, give full control access to these IP hosts. So these two specific IPs and read-only access to this IP range. For rest of the IP range, they should not have any access. So even if user is trying to, authorized user is trying to access the share from an IP range which is not in this range, they should not be able to have any access. That's the point here. So let's put this setting, and now we have this setting here. IP range of my Mac from which I'm trying to access this is not in this range. It's 172 point something. So any user trying to access this cluster, any of the share on this cluster should not be able to see it. Now for you to also hide it from this user, you also have to do this setting, which is SMB modify settings that we used for the first step. And this time we are going to use the second parameter also, which is hide share from unauthorized host. So some hosts, some client IPs that are not authorized, they should not be seeing that share also. So I'm just going to set it to true. And now let's go back to my utility for listing the share. So since we were talking about customer 2, let's do it for Iron Man, because I believe this is the user who had, or maybe I got it wrong. Yeah. So this is the user, Iron Man, who had access on customer 2, but as you can see, since this user doesn't belong to that IP range, this user cannot even see that share where this user has the access to also. So these are two helpful tips that can keep your setup on Cumulo, SMB share on Cumulo more secure, and we wanted to share that. Here are some resources which will be good material to use. One is knowledge base article where we talk about these concepts in more detail. There's a blog that we recently published on how to hide the SMB share, and there are more resources on how to create SMB share, how to add your cluster to the Active Directory, and something more about sharing permissions on SMB. Hope you find these resources and this video useful. Please let us know if you have any comment, follow-up question, or if you want us to cover any other topic in detail like this. Thank you.